Come with. What? Yeah. You get there at 12 o'clock. Gator. Whoa, Captain Hook. See, Mama, you take too long to pull out your phone. Gotta be quicker than that.
Yep.
What's it say?
I take a vacation from the job and I'm like, I'm gonna drive out.
Southern Assault Water.
Yep. Come on, Rasta man say,
now go.
Rasta man say, yo. Oh, this is like Palm Beach right there. This reminds me of Clematis.
Someone said, Clematis on West Palm Beach,
I gotta
honey.
take my little son fishing one day. He went fishing one time.
Okay, yeah, so this is like Myrtle Beach right here.
Yeah, we downtown Myrtle Beach. Gotta get to the pier though. I gotta show these boys how you get done.
Ooh, the water right there.
There's a little dude on the phone. He 5'2". He think he can fish.
There go the, what you call it? Y'all scared, so ain't nobody gonna go on with me.
Alright, bro, be safe out there, homie. Yeah, appreciate it.
Olympic Pancake House.
Hold on, they say I passed it. Oh, the pier right there.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, so I gotta turn around.
Oh, look, they got, what do you call that? A wheel? Oh, sky wheel over there. Oh, snap. Y'all ain't ready for that. Y'all ain't ready for that. Okay, yeah. Definitely go slow. Oh, they do hair and stuff out here? Okay. You gotta do make a U-turn? No bad days. Whoa. Hair wrap. Okay, you can get your hair braided. That's just advertisement. What? Jeez. Oh, this is why we need to come get a Myrtle Beach shirt. Get one out of one of my clothes. The other place says nothing over $5.99. All right, guys, we are at the Myrtle Beach Pier. And we're just walking. I believe this is called the Boardway, or whatever it's called. I don't know. But we here. And the beautiful beach is here. Over there. But of course, with everything, we're compromising. So we're trying to get as close as possible to the pier, which is way over there. Daddy Don's. This is Oyster and Grill. Fun Plaza Arcade. Oh, you can play games over there?
Yeah.
And his AC? Uh-oh. Y'all know your girl is a foodie. Oh my gosh, I love funnel cake. What you looking for? What you want? Oh, he said he's coming back. They got funnel cakes. Let's see. I mean, I like funnel cakes, but I don't know if I'm expensive. We gotta go with your daddy. He said he's coming back. Waffle fries. Slushy. They have parfait. Oh. 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 I mean, this is vacation, right? Funnel cake. Right? Okay. Oh, your daddy waiting on. Oh, don't get festy. I can get you a nice little hat in there. Y'all. Oh, they got beach chairs, accessories. You shocking me. Bye. You better come on before you be with no. Bye. Ooh, what is that? Ice cream, sweet treats, family entertainment. Ooh, I love me some Bluebell ice cream. Huh? Ooh, sushi, milkshakes. They got all types of stuff. Hurricane. Ooh. Walk, yeah. I was about to say walk up. Hmm. Don't walk up in front of me. Okay. Oh, look, they got some long sleeves. I don't want no crop top though. Ooh.
$50 for a t-shirt?
You see $50.
So $50 off.
Oh, I thought it said $10. Ooh.
Bloodworms. The bloodworms will bite you.
Mm.
Yeah, they don't think worms ain't got teeth. Go ahead, stick your hand in that bucket. I ain't gonna do it. Or they use cut mullet.
This is my first time on here. I got shrimp and I got squid.
Shrimp's good. You going on the pier to fish or on the surf?
Yeah.
You'll probably catch some flounder. They catch a lot of flounder off the pier.
Mm.
But the better pier to fish at is that one.
Oh, there's another one?
Yeah. It's the very end of the boardwalk.
Oh, we didn't go that far.
Yeah, the boardwalk goes all the way to First Avenue. Right now you're at 11th.
Oh.
So that feel better.
This is here at like a restaurant on it, so there's a lot of people walking and talking and
Okay.
you can't really fish. But the one right here in the distance, that's 2nd Avenue.
Uh-huh, 2nd Avenue.
You can. I think they charge you something. I'm not sure how much they charge. Of Ocean Boulevard.
Uh-huh.
There's one called Spring Maid.
Oh, that's what I heard about them.
That's the best one to fish. They catch mackerel. They catch flounder.
Look at them. Look at
them. Spots.
Oh, sorry.
And it's a concrete pier. It ain't wood, it's concrete. I just think in my face.
Ooh, look. So what kind of fish is that? Ooh. Huh? Down, cha, 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 cha. Whoa. And the one in Atlanta, I've never been. I just watch it. Oh, I was say, come this way too. Oh, yeah. Where I wanted to go, Ripley's, believe it or not, is right over there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Y'all can see it. And it doesn't help I'm walking. They got the people playing. They got helicopters. I don't know, that helicopter is red. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know why I'm fascinated with helicopters lately. Yeah. Sorry for all the shaking, but I'm walking. And I went to my car and I still forgot to get the tripod. Woo. And I'm about to end. I'm gonna end it right here just because a lot of people gonna. Alright, so we're in this like gift shop. Ooh, look, it is so dark.
I do.
Oh no! Jeez. Oh, they got music in here. $24. This is like 18. That's not the. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. These are cute. A mini sand bucket, $5. Back away, because I don't want your bucket to hit anything, okay? Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I like to buy, what's this? $10, $11. I think, ooh, I would say this screen. Oh, I'm not even that tall, but okay. Oh, okay, yeah. You got kids shirt. You okay? Oh. Oh, this would be good. This would probably be a better option.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Okay.
I got this on screen.
Oh, well, thank you.
Seashells. Oh. Oh. They got all types of stuff in here.
Oh no. Would you want Dr. Pepper?
Oh. You can stay. I was gonna say you can stay right there.
What are you talking about?
Oh, look at those. Those are cute. Stay right there. Dang. Oh, look at this. That's like a little tumbler with the name on it. How much is it? Oh, it's only $7. This is cute. Okay, let me call your daddy.
Yeah, it's nice. I'll show you.
The people on the beach. And we were on the fishing pier way over there. Woo! I want food. I want food, y'all. So I can give y'all. Y'all know y'all like to eat too. Y'all be watching them videos, eating videos. Ooh, sorry, y'all. But anywho, I will get back to y'all. Bye.